Hello, everybody, and thank you for coming to the webinar today. Can you hear me all okay? If you can write a message in the chat and just say hello. So today we have a very exciting introduction today from Tsinghua University International Construction Project Management Program, Masters in ICPM. And we have, in this presentation, you will learn all about the program and what it's like studying at Tsinghua University. And we also have Ms. Kailen Li, who is going to be introducing the program. And she is here going to give an introduction. So hi, Ms. Kailen Li, are you here?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you.
So shall I start?
Yep.
Okay. I need your authority to open the PowerPoint of mine.
Yeah, it should work now.
Okay. Hey, all right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kailen. Now is the program coordinator of an international master's degree program in Tsinghua University, which is named ICPM. ICPM is one of the English top master program in Tsinghua University. Students who complete their courses and thesis will be awarded by the Master of Engineering. It is the quite practical master program for students learning project management, construction management, and engineering management. Today, I'm very glad to deliver the details of this program to you. Following, the content will be divided into 4 parts. First, I will give a short brief about the Department of Construction Management. In the second part, I will illustrate the course and research of the ICPM. The third part will explain the admission program this year, and the last part is the Q&A. The Department of Civil Engineering is one of the oldest departments in Tsinghua University. As early as 1916, Tsinghua Emperor College, the predecessor of Tsinghua University, began to enroll civil engineering students studying in the United States. In 1925, Tsinghua University set up the undergraduate department. Civil engineering department is then set up in the next year. Over the 100-year development, now it is the School of Civil Engineering, which has 3 departments. ICPM Master Program is offered by the Department of Construction Management. Department of Construction Management was established in 2000. Its origin can be traced back to the teaching and research group of construction technology and machinery established in Department of Civil Engineering of Tsinghua University in 1953. Currently, the department consists of 3 teaching and research institutes, namely Institute of Construction and Engineering Management, Institute of Real Estate Studies, and Institute of Sustainable Urbanization. The department also has several joint research and training centers that cooperate with the government and outstanding enterprises and institutions. The Department of Construction Management aims to build world-class disciplines and conduct innovative research on the basic theory and key technologies of urban and infrastructure construction and management. At present, it has 4 major disciplines, including sustainable development, urbanization research, safety and health, and digital and technology, which encourages teachers and students to carry out interdisciplinary research. Accomplishments achieved in the area of construction management are well known both domestically and internationally. Notably, the team proposed an innovative model with 5 major elements of process-based management, life cycle management, knowledge management, resource allocation hierarchy, and target-based management. The model was successfully adopted in actual construction projects. Regarding to construction engineering and technology, a series of studies have been conducted on nonlinear analysis of reinforced concrete structures, advanced concrete manufacturing, dam construction technology, safety control of concrete structures during construction, construction safety of high-rise buildings, concrete quality through process control, knowledge management, and construction product integrity. Move to sustainable development of infrastructure. The team is conducting a large amount of research. Many projects were funded by National Social Science Foundation of China and Ministry of Housing and Urban Rural Development, and many of the research results were published in peer-reviewed journals. Based on the achievements, the team also developed an assessment framework for the sustainability and the 11th and 12th five-year plans for Beijing Construction Committee. Some research outcomes helped project stakeholders to adapt themselves to the dramatic change in the construction industry. The research team of real estate studies has directly participated in national housing policy, landing using in China, and has undertaken a considerable amount of theoretical and empirical studies regarding development of the housing industry and management of the housing market. The real estate studies was also involved in development of the Chinese real estate and land appraisal system. The team members won the Best Paper Award by the American Real Estate Society and Outstanding Parents Award from the International Real Estate Society. The real estate studies has conducted many research projects sponsored by the National Social Science Foundation of China, national and various central and local government agencies. Many research papers were published in highly valued peer-reviewed journals. The department has a strong faculty. There are 20 teachers in the Department of Construction Management, including 9 professors, 9 associate professors, 2 assistant professors, and several supporting teaching staff. 9 professors teach ICPM who belong to 3 institutions mentioned above. Besides, we also have a number of internationally renowned experts and well-known chair professors from top universities in the world to support our high-quality education. So studying in ICPM, you are not just to learn, but more to broaden your horizon internationally. Now, let us move to the courses and research of ICPM. First, I want to share a video that gives you an idea of what ICPM looks like.
Hi, Colin. Is this the program introduction video? I could share it if you like.
Excuse me?
Yeah, we can't see the video.
Oh, sorry. So I will cover with that. I will couple with that. Wait a second. Can you see that now?
Yep.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Seems to be no sound.
Okay. The ICPM program is an 18-month master program taught by English, which aims to broaden and deepen students' knowledge of contemporary issues in leadership, strategic project management, and delivery of international projects to provide value to stakeholders and society as a whole. The unique characteristic of this program is to expose students to a new way of thinking and to create awareness of how Chinese organizations operate, manage, and deliver projects in a fast-changing world. The program is practice-oriented. Students will be taught to think creatively, to be innovative with new ideas, and to use tools and techniques for effective management of projects. Students will be taught about problem solving, leadership, and the exploitation of technology. This is a unique opportunity to embrace Chinese culture and thinking and to engage in the world of international construction. Additional, ICPM is the platform of collaboration between academic research and industry practice. It is guided by the industry practitioners when set up courses of the program. Teachers will deliver the cutting-edge knowledge to students and take them to conduct the research close to the industry development. So to identify the value proposition of the program, that must be international practices, Chinese experience, and cutting-edge knowledge. Here is the course catalog of ICPM. Students studying in ICPM have to complete all the courses. The program is accredited by the well-known international accreditation institution PMI, and they review the program every 5 years to ensure the quality of the program is in standard. And I take one course of ICPM as an example. The issue and contractual, the law and contractual issues is one of the classic course in ICPM. And this course is very standardized and welcomed by students. It's a project-oriented, and teacher of this course will invite some expert of the industry to give seminar, and also have some project visits to make the content of the course more comprehensively and more professional. And we also have one course named Frontier in International Construction, which is also known as Tsinghua Summer School for International Construction. Organized by the department and supported by the Graduate School of Tsinghua University, it has been favored by students from home and abroad since it was first held in 2007. So far, there are more than 600 students from home and abroad, and about 2/3 of them from overseas. The main purpose of this module is to make full use of the quality teaching resources, extending the international perspective of students and promote international exchanges. We invite first-class experts and scholars worldwide as the teachers arrange the appropriate number of case analyses and seminars to broaden students' thinking and to stimulate students to propose, analyze, and solve problems. At the same time, combined with the characteristics of professional disciplines, we will also arrange an appropriate number of visits for students in order to enable students to combine theoretical knowledge and practical experience. It is worth for you to try if you want to get better understanding of China market and globalized industry tendency. Studying in ICPM, we also embrace the most advanced research in various directions and areas. For example, behavior-based management is a research direction involving computer science, neuroscience, behavioral science, and so on. It will also focus on digitalization of the production process. Related to the computer science, we have lots of other burning issues to research and waiting for your participating. As you see, the whole time of the project is 18 months containing 4 academic semesters. It is attractive for students who prefer to get their master's degree in China with a relatively shorter time. The first 3 academic semesters are for learning courses and participating in the professional practice. Then, in the last semester, students start to apply the graduation. It is a little bit intensive for somebody sometimes, especially on thesis writing. So it is available for students delaying 1 semester to apply the graduation. The program is accredited by the well-known international accreditation institution PMI, and they review the program every 5 years, as I just mentioned, to ensure the quality of the program. Since 2012, ICPM have recruited 74 students from 41 countries. Apparently, ICPM is such a global family to attract students around the world. We welcome every student who desires to study in a period of project management, construction management, and engineering management. In the past years, most students graduated from ICPM got offers from well-known multinational companies or their local well-known enterprises. And also some of them choose to continue their doctoral degree study afterwards. We cultivate students with comprehensive theoretical knowledge and the practical skill for them to better access into the society. Next, I would like to share some students' thoughts of ICPM who graduated from the program to see why they choose ICPM and how they benefit from the ICPM when they are in work. Hui Wen is an ICPM student in 2015. After getting her doctoral degree, now she's working in Tsinghua University. Okay. So as you see, students graduated from ICPM could have many possibilities to develop their career path globally. Well, that is the key information of ICPM. If you are interested in the program and want to find more, please view our website or scan the code. Okay, then I would like to explain the admission of the program this year. We have totally 3 rounds of application, so you have sufficient time to prepare the application documents. But please pay attention to one point. We only have one channel to apply the program. That is the official application system of Tsinghua, just showing as the web link here. We only accept the online application. The program is open to all applicants, irrespective of professional discipline, who want to develop their expertise in international construction and project management. The current undergraduates applying the ICPM have to get your bachelor degree before this August. The program will be delivered in English, so applicants should have ability in conversational and technical English. Related language proof has to be provided. Process of application consists 3 steps. Online application by the individual first, and then upload all the required documents. The admission committee of the department will organize the online interview for applicants who pass the process of the documents review. So candidates have to prepare the online interview carefully, since it is the final stage to decide the students' recruitment. Tsinghua selects students by document evaluation together with the online interview. The admission committee of the department will review the application documents and select qualified candidates for the interview. We have some main assessment criteria for each of 2 steps. So please look at these carefully when you apply the program. Currently, Tsinghua University offers 2 kinds of scholarship to international graduate students: Chinese government scholarship and tuition scholarships. Since ICPM is the high tuition fee with English taught program, either the full scholarship of CSC or tuition scholarship cannot cover all the tuition fee. The candidate who gets the CSC or Beijing government scholarship should also pay the supplementary of the tuition fee. And more details can be checked via the web link here. That's the international student official website of Tsinghua University. That's all the information about the ICPM. Any questions, please feel free to ask me.
Thank you very much, Thailand. So we have a couple of questions. One of them is for the scholarships. Can you introduce a bit more about what the options are for scholarships and how students can apply?
Okay. Because the ICPM is an English taught program, so tuition fee is higher than the normal international program. Currently, we just have 2 available scholarships could be applied. One is a CSC, but students should apply CSC via the China embassy in their hometown. The other one is the Beijing government scholarship, also known as the tuition scholarship. But both of these 2 scholarships cannot cover all the tuition fee of ICPM. Students still need to pay the supplementary of the tuition.
Thank you very much. There's another question, which is about internships and careers. Are students able to get internship opportunities on the program? And can you introduce a bit more about it?
Internship, okay. Yeah, we have one process that named professional practice. And in this process, students have to do their internship. And at present, students have two ways to complete this process. One is find the internship themselves, and also the department will recommend some vacancies of internship from the partnership of enterprises of the department. And also there is another choice is to do the academic research with their supervisor. Yeah.
Great, thanks very much. So there's also another question, which is about the update in China for 2023 intake. So some students are asking about what is the process for students coming back to China to get visas to come to China.
Okay, I don't know all the programs, but usually for the international master program of Tsinghua, if students are enrolled by the university successfully, we will provide the visa application documents for the students to apply the visa. So I think this year, all the international students could have the support document for their visa application by the university.
Great. Because Tsinghua, the university is open for international students now that the border is open, right? And there's no quarantine for students.
I think they have to come to campus to study the major they selected this year, start from this year.
Yeah, there's no option for online. Every student has to come to the campus to study. Yep. And another question is, so for the admissions process, what kind of student is the ideal student, or do you have any tips for students when they apply in the application process?
Sorry, can you repeat it? I can't get you very well. You mean the students we enrolled? What kind of students apply this program?
Yep.
Okay. Like what I said, we do not have very strictly limitation of students who apply this program. If students who are eager to learn how to manage the project-oriented and in the company, or they interested in construction, real estate, industry sector, we welcome them to apply this program. And we used to enroll students from design, from finance, and other major. And they also can study ICPM, the program, the courses very well, and they graduated very smoothly and successfully to find a job afterwards.
Great, thank you very much. So there's two more questions. One of the questions is about the deadline and how early should they apply?
The deadline of the application this year is the middle of the April. So students who want to apply this program have to prepare the document now.
Great, thank you. And one more question is for the English requirement. Can you repeat or can you mention again the English requirement for TOEFL, IELTS, and what is the requirement?
Okay. If your mother tongue is not English or your bachelor degree is not taught by English, students have to take the English test. IELTS should be achieved 6.5, equal to TOEFL 85. If your bachelor degree is taught by English, please let your university to make you the certificate or like the statement to certify that you are get your bachelor degree and the course are all taught by English.
Great, thank you very much. I think that's
You're
most of the
welcome.
questions.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you very much, Silin, for joining, and we will also send an email with all the links for the program, and also you can watch again to everyone's emails, and also the contact details for Ms. Silin if you have more questions and if you want to apply. Thank you very much, Silin.
You're welcome. Yeah, any problem, please email to me, icpm@tsinghua.edu.cn. Okay.
Yep. Thank you. I'll just send it in the chat here and